Hello travelers, so today I thought I'd do a quick update for December, the last month of the year, just to let you know what I have planned, what is coming up in terms of reviews. And yes, this is the last month of the year and hopefully next year will be a better one. So I do have some interesting new wallets, well I should say wallet. This is the Aviator Wallet. It's made in Germany. It's made from a carbon fiber. It has a little money clip on the front here, and then you have a little tab you can pull and it reveals your cards. So it's really nice. Oh, and it has one more interesting feature just here, a little drawer that you can put coins or keys in. So it's a really interesting take on the sort of the card wallet or money clip. I'm usually not a huge fan of this type of wallet, but the design and the carbon fiber material makes it a very interesting wallet. So I'm looking forward to bring that to you soon. Now I have been saying this for a while, but I have the Sony A7C, which I'm recording with right now, and I will be doing a microphone test. So I'm going to be testing some of the Rode microphones I have. And actually right now I'm using the Rode Lav Go, I think it's called. So do let me know how the audio sounds. So my video where I compared the Samyang 18mm here, this lens, to the Sony 20mm lens, that was pretty popular, and so I will be doing a little more comparisons, and I'll be doing like a review individually of each of those lenses, because these Samyang lenses are really small and lightweight and they are great for traveling. So speaking of Samyang, this lens that I'm filming with right now is the Samyang 75mm lens. I'm going to be doing a full review on this one by next week, so do keep an eye out for that one. And if you want like a really small sort of photography video setup, I think you could pair it with this 18mm or a 35mm and get a really nice sort of combo for prime lenses for traveling. So do leave a comment down below what you think of this lens. How is the quality? I know it's a little bit tight, more than the 35, but it gives a nice bit of separation on the background. Now, of course, I did a hands-on with this bag, but I will be doing a full review, and that is the Minal Daily. This lens is so tight I can't fit it all in. But as I mentioned, I did upgrade this one to the black version. So this is not the grey, this is the black, and I think it does look a lot more sharp and sleek in the black version. Of course, if we take a look inside this bag, I do also have, as I mentioned before, a comparison between these two camera bags. These are from Low Pro, and it's the Gear Up. I think it's actually called the Creator Box. These actually originally and printed on the label, it's called the Gear Up Camera Box M2, like the second generation version. Like it's actually the second generation version of this one I have here, which is the Gear Up Camera Box. So that's actually what they were originally planning, I think. But now if you go and look at this one on their website, they call it the Creator Box, the Gear Up Creator Box. I think that's what they call it. So they're kind of marketing it more for like vloggers and creators, and I do think it is a really nice design that is a little bit more versatile than the previous one, so I'm looking forward to bringing that video to you soon as well. Yes, I also have a review of this one here, which is the Sony Bluetooth wireless noise cancelling headphones. This is the WH-1000XM4. I also did a review of the previous version, the XM3s. You can click in the top right to see that one. These ones are slightly improved with like a little sensor that knows when you take them off, and they also have multi-device support, which is one thing that I really missed from the previous ones. So these ones you can connect to your phone and computer and switch seamlessly between them, and the microphone on this one is slightly improved as well. As I mentioned too, I will be doing a video on this here, which is the bottle shower. That is like an insert you put into bottles and turns them into like a shower head. I think it will be really handy and useful for when you're traveling, especially like when you go to the beach. Really great idea, this one. Really small, compact little nozzle, and it would be really easy to chuck into your backpack and just have it for those emergency situations. So that's pretty much it for the upcoming reviews. Do leave a comment down below which of those ones you're most interested to see, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.